You open your first present in the 12 days of Christmas.
Who is it?
I don't know, that's the back of the book. You gotta open it. It's a heavy duty paper.
My hair?
Yeah. Don't stick it on the couch.
No.
Oh!
What did you get?
What is it? Flip it over.
What book is it? What book is that?
Okay, leave the CD in there. Turn it over and look at the picture of the book. What is it? It's got another mini CD in the back. Or something. Oh, it's an ornament.
Hair?
Tear? Sure.
It's an ornament. You can hang it on your tree.
Let's see what book it is. Let's see the front of the book.
All aboard the Polar Express.
That's not the front of the book.
Hey. What?
She's looking at the front.
Look. What is that?
It's
It's a what? What is, what is this?
A Christmas train.
What is this? It's a Christmas train? It's a choo-choo train. You see it?
All aboard.
All aboard? That's what this says. This says all aboard, see? It has a conductor yelling, all aboard the Polar Express. Includes keepsake ornament and bonus CD. Read by Liam Neeson. It says, go to polarexpress.com for activities, recipes, and prizes, plus a special Christmas countdown calendar.